I really happen to love recipes that are simple, fun, and indulgent, and that's exactly what these cinnamon roll peach pies are. They're simple to make, but great in flavor. And I'm not sure where the tradition started with peaches and cinnamon. For as long as I can remember, we had peach cobbler at every family gathering. That's where it became special to me. Ripe peaches, warm cinnamon, the zip of a little bit of nutmeg, the bite of a hint of lemon juice, all rolled into one delicious bite. This is my childhood as I remember it. I'll start by chopping down peaches to size. A small dice is all you need. Then I'll combine them in a bowl with brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and a pinch of cornstarch. I'll stir it all together and then set it aside. I add the cornstarch because it'll help absorb the liquid that the peaches are going to release, and it's also going to make the sauce super thick. Too thin and you'll have a flimsy pie. Too thick and you'll have nothing but dough. I find that a ½ an inch thick gives you just the right size to work with. I'll take a knife and cut out circles. I'll add a spoonful of peach filling. In the other half, I'll fold over and crimp the edges with a fork. I'll brush the tops with just a little bit of cream and top with turbinado sugar. I'll line them on a baking sheet that has parchment paper, and then into a preheated 350-degree oven they go. In the meantime, the great thing about a hand pie is usually the glaze. For mine, I'll take powdered sugar, I'll add a drop of bourbon, a drop of lemon juice, and stir well to combine. And that's it for the perfect glaze. All rolled into one delicious bite. This is my childhood as I remember it. This looks too good not to give it a try, so I'm just gonna take some of the peaches and some of that lovely pastry with the glaze. You gotta give it a try. It was really good. Cinnamon, bright, with the peaches and the glaze. Perfect way to have a perfect combination, peaches and cinnamon. Recipes like this, you know where they're gonna be on my website. It's dariuscooks.tv. There's two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life, life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.